3 days ago, the tech world suffered a heart attack. Over $285 billion vanished in 24 hours. In India, 2 lakh crore rupees evaporated in a single session. This is the SaaSpocalypse. The trigger? A company called Anthropic. On February 4th, 2026, they released Claude Cowork with 11 agentic plugins. These aren't just chatbots, they are digital workers. Their new legal automation plugin proved it could review contracts and handle compliance entirely on its own. The market panicked. Investors realized that if an AI agent can do the work of a whole department, the old business model is dead. The Nifty IT index crashed over 6%, its worst day since the pandemic. The losers were giants. Infosys plummeted over 8%, losing 54,000 crore rupees in value. TCS dropped 7%. Even global kings like Salesforce and Adobe tanked 7%. Investors are terrified that Agentic AI will replace human-led software subscriptions entirely. Why? Because for 20 years, IT giants made money by charging for human hours. But Agentic AI is a substitute, not a helper. If one AI agent replaces 10 engineers or clerks, the billable-hour model collapses. The era of the AI assistant is over. We have entered the era of the AI worker. The money is moving away from software companies and toward the hardware and brains behind these agents. If you're holding legacy tech stocks, your portfolio is a ticking time bomb. The game hasn't just changed, it's been rewritten.